Hello friends, in previous video we have seen what are the facilities a create button is providing. In this video we will see how to create different topics. So for that I am clicking on create button, then clicking on topic, and I can give the name of the topic I want to add. So first topic I am adding as aromatherapy. Click on add button. The topic get automatically added. Now remember, this is the topic but it is yet empty. This is only the title of the topic. You can see the folder is empty. It doesn't contain any material. So we are supposed to add material to these topics. Let me add one more topic. So again repeating the process, create topic, another topic, photosynthesis. Click on add button, you can get the second topic added. The moment you add second topic, the first topic is pushed down. If you want to take this topic up, you can simply click on it, left click, and drag it upwards. So the order gets changed. Whatever order you are maintaining over here, you are getting it in this particular left tab also. Aromatherapy, photosynthesis. If I change the order, then this order will also get changed, photosynthesis aromatherapy. So again I'm coming back to my original order. Now if I find that if this name whatever I have given is not correct, and if I want to edit it, so I'm going on these three dots. It is giving me these options: rename, delete, move down, copy link, multiple options it is providing. So I can click on rename. Again I go back to the same box where if I want to add something else, I can add or delete or change, and again I can rename the topic. So this is about how to create the topics. After creation of topic, the next important function is addition of materials. So I'm clicking on create button and going to materials. When I'm coming to materials, it is asking me some details about the material which I want to upload. Now this material is in the form of the notes, which can be in the form of PPTs, it can be in the form of any document, Excel sheet, video, whatever is stored on your computer or through web, you can upload. So here I am giving the title of my topic, aromatherapy 1. Here I can give instructions to the students. Please go through the topic, and I can go for addition of materials. So click on add, go to any of these options. So you can add the material either from your Google Drive or using any particular link or using a file which is stored on your computer or device, or you can even post a YouTube video. First, I am clicking this particular option, how to add a file from Google Drive. So, if you see here multiple tabs are given. You have to go to Google Drive tab. Then the files which are displayed over here are from your Google Drive. If you know the particular name or particular file, then you can type the name of the file, you can get the display. I'm clicking on this particular file which is already stored in my drive and adding it over here. After adding it over here, I'm getting few more options. This particular topic I want to assign under which particular category. So you know that initially we have created two folders, aromatherapy and photosynthesis. Obviously this topic I want to assign under aromatherapy. So select that topic and post the notes or material to the students. Now along with this post button, you are getting many other options. You can post it directly so that student can get it immediately. You can even schedule it. You can simply save the draft if the date to be scheduled is not known or not decided, or simply if you do not want to store it, then you can discard the draft. So let me show how to post it. So if you click on post button, the same topic gets automatically posted and you get some time over here which indicates the topic is ready, available to the students. Now let us go and add one more topic using scheduling button. So create materials, title is aromatherapy 2, not adding any description or instructions. This topic I will add in the form of a file which is stored on my device. So I'm going to upload button, selecting file from my device and selecting a particular folder from the desktop or wherever it is stored and uploading the respective document. So you can see the file which I wanted to share from my device has been added. It is only added, it is yet to upload. So click on upload button. So after clicking on upload button, the topic is attached over here. The notes, whatever you want to share are attached over here. Now here I will not add any particular topic. By chance, if you forget to click on this particular button and then instead of posting, if you want to schedule it, then click on schedule button and here you can give the date on which and the time at which you want to schedule it. Click on schedule button. Remember, here I have not given any particular topic name. So since I had forgotten to give any particular topic name, this has come out and it is not assigned to any one of the folders. Now how to again assign it by chance if you forget. So simply go to it, click on it and drag it wherever you want to shift it. Again, you can even rearrange it, aromatherapy 1, aromatherapy 2. You can simply see there are two different categories. One category is in regular black color, another category is in inactive phase and in gray color. It indicates that this topic is scheduled for 18th July at 10 a.m. It will be released for students. Right now, the students cannot access it. The students will be accessing it only this particular topic which is in black font and it is ready or available for them. By chance, if I want to change this schedule date, again I can go over here, edit, and I can change the date. So here I will change the date. I will make it to 19 and click on schedule button. So if you see, instead of 18, now it has come to 19. Now let us go to second topic and we will add some material to it. So again, create button, materials, photosynthesis, add. We have seen these options, how to add file, how to add Google Drive, then how to add files from desktop. Now we will go to YouTube. If you want to share any particular video with respect to your topic with students, then you can directly go to this YouTube channel and you can type the name of the topic. If you have already ready the link, then you can go to URL, you can simply paste the link. But if you want to search the video, here you can give the title of your search. Let me write photosynthesis, search. I will get many videos. If I want to share this particular video or this particular video with my students, simply you will have to select that particular video, click on add. The video gets automatically attached over here. Then you can give one particular topic name to which you want to assign, and you can post it. Same options you get: post, schedule, save draft. So here I will simply save the draft. So saving the draft also indicates it is unavailable to students and it is not even scheduled. So later on, after whenever I feel, I can go click on this three dots, edit it and directly post it or schedule it. So let me schedule this. So scheduling is done. On this date, it will be released to the students. That's all for this video. We have seen how to create topics and how to assign different types of materials in the form of notes which you can share with your students. Thank you very much.